Myself Ajay Kumar, and I've completed my master's in embedded system, and I pursued my PhD in Reva University in wireless communications, and it is under process. It is almost finished in the final stage of the PhD program, and today I discussing regard programming logic device. Programmable logic device. An IC, it is designed by using number of gates and flip-flops and to design a specific function that you can say is a programmable logic devices. IC design using gates and flip-flops to perform different functions. So this you can say is a PLD, programmable logic devices, and PLDs are these write code by using fusing. It is a simple programming to program the PLD devices. That is nothing but fusing. How can we do it? For example, can be taking a AND gate with n number of inputs, and all inputs are intact initially to the AND gate. By diffuse by diffusing the fuses by diffusing the fuses what is not required, by blowing high voltages to the gate. That time it can configure the AND gate by diffusing the fuses. So for example, I am taking here two gates. Here one gate is B, initially it is B, A, B, C, D is be considered for output, and all are be initially connected to the gate. Okay, and it is going to be diffused by blowing high voltage to the gate circuit. At the time you will get the particular function. For example, here we are getting the function of BC. While comes to the initial stage, it will be ABCD, and later it will be generating the output with BC. This is nothing but fusing. So that's why you can say it's a simple programming for PLDs. It is a simple programming for the PLDs by diffusing the circuit. And there is different types of PLDs. So first you can say is a simple PLD. Simple PLDs are be configured by using combination of AND gate and OR gate arrays. Combination of AND gate and OR gate arrays. You can design the simple PLDs, and it is both classified into various types. One is the PROM type. Next one is PLA, PAL and GAL. And PROM types are the programming technique which will be used to fuse by fixed logic connection by AND gate or fixed OR gates are programmable. OR gates are programmable. So in the same manner, for PAL have a combination of the AND gates and OR gate arrays, and with both AND gate and OR gates are programmable. While coming to the PAL and the GAL, it will be AND gate is be programmable and OR gate array is fixed. These are various types of programming will perform by using simple PLDs. Again, it is classified with another type which is the CPLD, complex programmable logic device, and another one is FPGA, field programmable gate array. This is the various types of the programming logic devices. In that one, we will be discussing with the PROM how it will be designed by using the gates and how it is going to be coded by using the Verilog. PROM type. So it is a programmable read-only memory. It is the conversion technique. Is a architecture logic fixed device. Is a architecture logic fixed device with AND gate, fixed and OR gate programmable. OR gate programmable. And these have this like a structure with 2 power k into n. This is the general PROM which will be taken as an example, general formula to find the size of the PROM, and here the k representing the number of inputs and n representing number of outputs, and the k is b representing the number of inputs. The combination of these two, it is representing the total number of programming points. Number of programming points. So number of programming points will be representing the 2k. For example, I am taking the k value is equal to 2, then it will be 2 power 2 into n values. I am taking the outputs also will be 2. Then it will be the 4 into 2 points. Total will be 8 connecting programs will be generated by using the PLA. And we will design the basic PLA by using the 2 power 2 into 2. I already said it is a combination of the AND gate and OR gate, but AND gate is a fixed one, OR gate is a programmable one, and it will be connected with respect. Let's say I am taking the example with respect to the two input A and B and one output Y. One out two outputs is taken. Three inputs I am considering here, A, B, C, and two outputs Y1 and Y2. So 3 inputs means is a possible combination of 8. So with respect to this one, I am generating the PROM output with a fixed logic, like I am taking 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So two outputs which is being considered. With respect to this one, the circuit will be designed So I am taking here is the 3 inputs. It is the combination of 2 power 3 into 2. This is the PROM which is going to be designed. So with respect to this one, we will have the 3 AND logics. 3 AND logics, and this 3 AND logic is be connected with the combination of the inputs represented. So one is 0 0 0, next 0 0 1, A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. Next, so I have to take the total of 8 inputs with respect to the 8 possibilities. Each possibility is represented with respect to the one AND gate, and these AND gates output is connected to the OR gate, which is be representing the function of the gate. So Y1 and Y2. And this connection is the fixed one, which is the input connection. There is I said a prom is representing AND functions are fixed, it can't be programmed, and OR functions are programmable, which will be allowed to be change the function of the device. So here AND function, what will be their inputs? This will be fixed one, but OR functions will depends upon the function what will be considered. Here the function is taken as Y1 and Y2. With respect to Y1 and Y2, the function is be considered here is 0. So all zeros means there is a 0 representing the no connection, 1 is representing the connection, and here 0 0 0 first AND gate, there is no connection for the AND function. For Y1 or Y2 there is a connection. The connection established with the cross mark. Okay, this is called fusing to the device. In this manner, you can be fuse the device where the connection is required to generate the desired function, and where not required will not be connecting any fuse. Just be removing the fuse by blowing the high voltage to the circuit. So in this manner, we can be design the PROM by using AND gates and OR gates. OR gates are representing with respect to the number of function outputs, AND gates representing the input connectivity possibilities. There is a total of 8 possibilities there. There is getting the 8 AND gates with representing fixed function connection, and OR connections will be fused by the AND user. This is regarding the PROM design. Thanks to all.